That's just too much velocity upstairs to get good wood on it. It's going to have to lower his sights.
A ball and a strike to count to Matt Chapman. Line toward the gap in left center. And that'll get down out there for extra bases. And he's going to get to second now with nobody out.
Batting eighth, the second baseman.
Next up is Max Muncy. Oh, and look at this. High in the air and deep. And when this ball comes down, they'll have taken the lead. Home run.
Hey, that's the price you pay right there when you try and sneak a fastball past this guy. Power hitter, and every power hitter in the league knows you got to start with the numero uno, number one, man. You got to get on the heater and adjust to everything else, and he did just that.